Oh no. Oh no. I'm in love. It's like Christmas. Hello everyone. So I welcome you back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Erica and this is Tiny Acorn. I post videos all about thrifting, vintage, with a whole lot of hearts. So if that sounds good to you, don't forget to ring that bell and that way YouTube will notify you every time I post a new video. So today I am super pregnant. Can you guys see this? It's happening soon. I'm 38 weeks pregnant. I'm getting ready to pop. But I wanted to do this really fun mystery vintage unboxing with you guys because my friend Megan over at Wild Ways Vintage sent me a mystery box that I have no idea what's in it. I cannot wait to see what she put in this box for me. So make sure to stay tuned and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Before we get started with this vintage mystery unboxing, just wanted to chat with you guys a little bit about vintage and vintage shops. So one of my favorite ways to buy vintage is actually to buy it from a vintage shop. That's usually online. Sometimes it's brick and mortar, but as you know right now, we can't really go and do that. So online shops are where it's at. The fun little fact about me is I used to actually own my own vintage store for about 6 years. I ran it on Etsy and it was a ton of fun, but also so much work, you guys. And that's part of the reason why I had to close mine down, because I just didn't have the time and the energy for it anymore. Just know that when you are actually shopping on a vintage website, that there is a person behind that website that has handpicked every single item that goes up there. They have scoured thrift stores across the country, antique stores, yard sales, personal collections, and have handpicked these items and curated them just for you. So remember that whenever you purchase from a vintage shop, that like the price you're paying for the item is not just for the item, it is for all of the hard work that it went to bringing that item to you. And also remember that you're helping to support a small business, you're helping the planet because you're shopping sustainably, and you can just feel really good about your purchase when you do that. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get started with this unboxing. Megan over at Wild Ways Vintage sent me this box. She knows I'm preggo right now, so she tried to pick things that she thought would fit me. I haven't opened it. I'm so excited to see what's in here, you guys. She has a really refined sense of style. Her website is awesome. Everything is so well curated on there. She has a lot of 60s and 70s beautiful lace goodness, really gorgeous stuff. Have to go check it out. And she's offering a discount right now, you guys, 15% off with my code TinyAcorn15. Okay, let the unboxing extravaganza begin. All right, let's see what is in this box. So did I mention that my challenge is to style all these looks up today for you guys whilst being 38 weeks pregnant? I'm looking forward to seeing what she put in here. Okay, you guys, how cute. Super cute Wild Ways Vintage business card. It's adorable! Look at it! Oh my gosh. She packaged all these items up so cute. Oh, okay. I'm so excited. It's like Christmas, you guys. A vintage mystery box unboxing. It is totally Christmas. By the way, if you haven't seen my biggest vintage haul of like all time video, go watch it. I'm gonna link it for you guys in the cards. Oh my gosh. That is adorable. How cute is this little bag? Oh, I've been wanting a little bag like this too, you guys. You gotta be kidding me. Oh my gosh. It is adorable. I love it. I love it. How cute is that? Hopefully it'll fit my cell phone. I think it will. Okay, wait. There's some earrings in here. How cute. Little mustard yellow earrings. Adorable. Ah, love them. They're clip-ons. Oh, I can put them on right now. Never worn clip-ons before, you guys. Do you guys wear clip-ons? Comment down below. So cute. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I like these. I don't have anything like these. I love it when I get like new things for my wardrobe that I don't own anything similar to. Okay, adorable. Loving the first item, and we're like not even halfway through this box already. Okay. Next, I have, really gotta make sure those earrings are on there, don't ya? Really gotta pinch that lobe. Okay, I got it. Okay, next. Okay, my battery died, but I got it fixed. Okay, we're on to this little guy right here. Oh no. Oh no. I've been so into yellow lately. Oh, you guys, I'm dying right now. Oh, I freaking love this. This is so good. This is the kind of stuff I'm talking about on her website, you guys. This gorgeous, like, detailed blouses and things. It is so cute, and it's gonna fit perfectly. Oh my gosh. I'm in love. I'm so in love. Megan, you're amazing. And okay, so she put this little outfit together for me. How cute is that? This little floral skirt, you guys. I'll move this down here. This little floral skirt with the yellow blouse. Okay. I don't even need to do any styling. She like already styled it up for me and put this little outfit together. How cute. And it goes with my earrings and the purse. All I need to do is find some shoes, you guys. It's like Christmas. I love it. I'm so happy right now. Oh my gosh. Okay. Next. Aw, she wrote a little note on the back. So sweet. Wait, I see something else. It's yellow. Oh my gosh. What is it? Oh, so cute. Oh my gosh, it's the little top. That's adorable. You guys, I don't own any sort of like strapless tube toppy things. And I feel like that's definitely a mistake. I should own these because they're really adorable. Oh, and I love this fabric. Do you guys see this fabric? Gorgeous vintage fabric. So cute. And oh my gosh, I'm gonna love this. I can already tell. This adorable skirt. Oh my gosh, it's a pleated brown skirt. Oh, it's so pretty, you guys. Do you see this fabric? It has pockets. Oh my god, I think it's gonna fit too for my bum. She put this little outfit together for me. You guys, it's gonna be so cute. Ah! I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Oh my gosh, I love midi length skirts too. I feel like I never wear mini skirts anymore, but I don't know. Maybe it's because I'm 34, maybe it's because I'm pregnant. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below if you're ever too old to wear a mini skirt, or if you think that mini skirts should be allowed no matter what your age. What is your guys' take on mini skirts? I don't know. Yeah, I think I just feel like maybe it's the weather in San Francisco that I just don't wear mini skirts very often. Watch, this is gonna be a mini skirt in here. Oh my gosh, you guys, how cute. Tiniest acorn. So sweet. It's a little baby bonnet. Oh my gosh, how cute. That is adorable. Wait, can I wear it? Can I wear? You guys, this is so cute. Is this like cottagecore? Let me know. Cottagecore, yes or no? That is so sweet that she took the time to embroider a little acorn on here and wrote tiniest acorn. You guys, I've been having camera issues, so my camera keeps dying, and so I just want to show you guys this last item that I just recorded and it didn't work. Anyways, it was this gorgeous little dress. Look at how adorable that is with the spaghetti straps with the tie. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. And I feel like I can totally wear this post-pregnancy. Look, it has a little bow in the back. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And it looks like it has a little slip inside, so it's all lined. I don't have to worry about a slip. And I think that she actually altered this. Yeah, it looks like she like did some sewing to kind of like make this into this little dress that's like straight across with the ties. It's so cute. I cannot wait to try this all on, you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna try everything on. I am so excited. Yee! Oh my gosh, how cute is this yellow blouse with this red skirt? So cute. I just paired it with some simple mules, and then I threw on this cute little leather bag she got me and these little earrings. I can tell that this blouse will get a ton of wear in my wardrobe. Like I said, I've been very into yellow lately, so I'm excited too to mix it up with the brown skirt that I got. Okay, I'm loving this little yellow blouse with the earrings and a little scrunchie in my hair and this brown skirt. I think it's so cute. And then I added the little bag right across there just for like that extra little touch of personality. Oh, I think it's so adorable, and what a fun way to make a neutral skirt, brown skirt like this a lot more fun by just adding a pop of yellow in the blouse. Oh, I love it. It's so cute. Okay, look at this super cute outfit. Like I said, I don't have any like strapless tube toppy sort of tops in my wardrobe, but I really love this one and I want to get more. Especially for being pregnant. Honestly, it's like so nice because it can just go right under the boob, right above the bump, and then the skirt is just perfect right there. And I love it paired with these simple tan mules and my little vintage straw bag and these adorable earrings. Again, it goes with everything. And this outfit turned out so cute. I think she did a great job putting these looks together. Okay, you guys, here is the last look. This is that gorgeous little gauzy dress. Here I'm wearing it with the same shoes. I love how a neutral mule just kind of goes with everything. And I just wanted to kind of keep the jewelry a little bit simple, so I just did this simple little coin necklace and kind of layered it with another one. My table's so messy. It's such a cute little outfit. I love it, and I love it with this little purse that she threw in there. It's gonna be a great staple accessory in my wardrobe. But yeah, I love this outfit. It's so cute. I love the alterations that she made on the dress, and I can totally wear this after I'm pregnant too. And you guys, all of these looks I am wearing at 38 weeks pregnant. That is crazy. So it just goes to show you that you don't have to buy maternity clothes. You can actually even wear vintage clothes and get away with it. So, all right, that's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do this Wild Ways Vintage mystery unboxing video. Make sure to go check out Megan's website, wildwaysvintage.com, and use my discount code TinyAcorn15 to get 15% off of your purchase. And you guys, go follow Wild Ways Vintage on Instagram. And if you have a Skillshare account, you guys, Megan has some awesome courses on how to build a more sustainable wardrobe, how to find your own style, and courses about vintage. They're really great. I've listened to them all. I will put the link up to that down in the description as well for you guys. So you can go just like follow all of her socials and check out her website and just see all of the awesome content she has to offer. All right, you guys, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'm gonna have a ton of awesome Thrift With Me videos coming out after this where I'm thrifting through the United States, so don't miss those. All right, you guys, remember that you are absolutely beautiful just the way you are. Bye. Mwah.